What's up, guys? It's Desert Bug Out back with another video. So this time it is the GoatGuns 1/3 scale miniature sniper rifle. This is a 1/3 scale miniature of the AWM sniper rifle, also known as the Panther on the GoatGuns website. This one's really cool because it's a little miniature bolt action rifle. So this is how it comes. It comes in black. I think GoatGuns has another color. I think he has a camouflage color on the website too. But this one's black and has the scope, has the bipod adjustable. This back piece right here is rubber. Rest of it's all metal. It's bolt action, which is pretty cool. Super cool. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Scope, I don't know if you can see, but it's clear all the way through. This is the one I painted. This was my first attempt at tiger stripe camo, just kind of messing around. I bought some stencils off of Amazon and then just messed around with it. I don't know, looks pretty cool. It doesn't look as clean as I would like it to, but it looks cool. I don't know, I'm happy. Magazine comes out, little dummy rounds. Yep, but this is the miniature AWM sniper rifle. GoatGuns 1/3 scale. So anyway, so thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Share it with your friends. Hit the like button if you like this video. And if you have any questions or anything, please just leave me a comment. I try to look at all the comments. I try to respond to all the comments if I can, but I definitely see them all, that's for sure. And again, follow me on Instagram at Desert Bug Out. If you haven't followed me there, I have regularly put up some pics on my little miniatures on there, so check it out. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.